Hello, I'm Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson-Rigg and Rig Your Adventure. Today I'm going to show you how to install our Hurricane tail bag onto the back of this 1190 Adventure R. Now, the installation of these tail bags and any of the other Trails End tail bags in our line is exactly the same. We have 4 nylon web straps that go through a hard part of the motorcycle and come back through our tension lock buckle. Installation is extremely easy and it takes just a few minutes. Why don't you come on in close and take a look as I get this installation started. Now, the first step in this process is going to be to take your tail bag and to position it exactly where you're going to want it on the motorcycle. We're then going to take a look down to the bike and figure out what mounting point, what hard mounting point to the frame of the bike that you're going to want to use for the installation. For this situation, I'm going to go back to this part of the rack right here. I'm going to come down around here, and then I'm going to go through the luggage rack here in the back. Those are going to be the 2 spots that I'm going to choose. Once you've identified your mounting locations, you're going to begin by releasing your web strap. You're then going to take that web strap, wrap around whatever hard part it is that you want to attach to, and then loosely attach through the tension lock buckle. And then you're going to go ahead and repeat that process for the rest of the straps. Now, back here in the back, I'm going to be going through a thin slot inside the rack. For that installation, I'm going to go ahead and remove the elastic strap keeper, slide my webbing down through the hole, and then slide the strap keeper back onto the strap. Now I'm going to go ahead and feed my strap through the tension lock buckle and repeat on the other side. Now, with all 4 of those straps run through the web buckles, I'm going to go ahead and finalize the position of the bag. And now I'm going to give each of these straps a nice tug, making sure the bag is securely tied down to the motorcycle. Once your straps are pulled down nice and tight, you can double check fitment. This guy's not going anywhere. We can now take each of our straps, wrap the excess back on itself, and tuck it into the elastic strap keeper. This is going to provide a nice tidy look and keep your straps from flapping as you're riding down the road. With all those straps buttoned up, I would like to reiterate that this installation process is identical not only for the smaller 12-liter Hurricane tail bag, but also all of the tail bags in the Trails End collection. If you have any questions about this installation, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.